and now it has become a reality. For the first time in sports development across the state, the football season 2026 of the Shillong Sports Association. Dengan terai bikin himun bapau, hatin jung isar waila topong nomor dia mo. Dia benai ke bimentu kum badan kacing ais moba. Ya I kacing somu. Ya Myntri Rangbah jadi ya kacing kelut.
And to enjoy football. But I must congratulate MFA as well as SSA for successfully reviving the spirit of sports and spirit of football back into Shillong and the state as a whole. We all know that people in Meghalaya, they love football. And our youngsters are very passionate about football. But for whatever reason in the past, we were not able to provide the platform and the support to take football to the level that it deserves. Once again, I thank all of you. I again congratulate SSA and also congratulate our Honorable Minister, the President of the MFA. When I was thanking everybody, he's looking at me, waiting that I'll thank him also. So I don't forget, don't worry. So I thank our MFA President also for all the efforts that are put in. And once again, I wish all the teams that are present out here the very best for the tournament. Please remember, winning and losing is a part of game and a part of life. What is important is how you perceive the game. What is important is what you learn out of it. What is important is how you come out of it. How you dedicate yourself. How you work hard. How you discipline yourself. And how you become a good sports person who will accept victory and defeat in the same humble manner.